just got the expansion tank fixed. It's not overheating anymore.
Not at all.
Alright, gonna put some rear camber arms on this car today. Alright, so this is what it looks like. You just spin this once it's in the car, and you can push both sides out or in, and then you use these to lock it in place and adjust the camber.
Don't lose my sausage.
So here's the stock ones. You take that bolt out right there, and then there's an issue where the bolt for the other side, right up there, hits the axle. So what you gotta do is loosen the diff bushings and then jack the diff up, just enough to get that out. What do you think about this, Riley?
What's that?
This whole jacking the diff up thing.
Stupid, gotta do it on mine, but we don't have any impact, so it makes it a lot harder. Never pull something. No.
When are you gonna put coilovers on this thing?
Whenever I want to drop $500. I know. Look at this. We put on only front struts, and I have such a big wheel gap, and it looks like my car's lifted.
Yeah, we put new struts on, but not new struts in the back, so it's whatever. We got it out. This is what we were looking like.
I told Nolan we didn't have to take off more fucking bolts.
I was gonna take off the whole subframe. We got it out. All right. You can pull it out.
There we fucking go, dude. Told you, Nolan, dude.
You did. All right. That was easy. That was so simple. All right, so I just finished putting the camber arms in. So you can see a lot of camber on this side, but this side is pretty dead even. So yeah, so you can see it's got quite a bit of camber in the rear. Tomorrow I'm going to be adjusting these and figuring out. All right, it's the next morning. I'm going to try to fit these spacers in the rear. So I'm going to have to add some camber on this side, and I'm probably going to take some out on the other side. Here's what they look like under the car. All you do to adjust the camber is twist this, and then lock that one and that one in place. Okay, so I just got the spacer on. I haven't put the car on the ground yet, but I think I need to add more camber to that side still. This side definitely has enough to fit the tire. I might take a little bit out. Once it's on the ground, you'll see it a lot more too. Well, here's what we're looking like. I'm gonna either have to add more camber or just roll my fenders to get these spacers to fit, because they definitely do not fit right now. So I'm going to take some camber out and take the wheel spacers off and just wait for another time.